Whether it's managing heavy traffic flow or ensuring pedestrian safety, the handheld LED stop sign is your ultimate companion. This paddle has a lot of neat features, starting with over 50 LEDs on each side that can light up when you raise the paddle. The LED lights on each side are controlled by separate buttons here, and they allow you to choose from 3 different modes. You can have the LEDs stay on indefinitely, keep them off, or you can set them to blink. The lightweight paddle weighs 2.1 pounds and the sign is 18 inches with 6-inch tall text and features engineering-grade prismatic reflective material on both sides. This is powered by a rechargeable battery that can be accessed from the very comfortable foam cover handle. It also has a very useful lanyard. When it's time to charge the battery, you can remove it by simply twisting the bottom of the handle and pulling it out. To access the charging port, just pull the cover off and insert the charger. Battery life is expected to be about 12 hours when the lights are set to blink and over 2 hours with the lights constantly on. We carry this in both stop-slow and a stop-stop variation. And we also offer some additional accessories including a cover, a wall charger, and an extra battery to keep you powered up. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through chat or give us a call.